I don't care.
I could decorate it
No.
and windows.
If you're gonna do that, make your own little house.
House on the prairie. And then with the ramps, we could make like a slanted roof. Isn't that neat?
It won't line up right. It'll
It
overhang
looks like-
and look weird.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Serious?
What?
Oh, how fast I knocked out this Foma.
And I'm dehydrated again. Yay. And I'm doing what I did all yesterday.
Farming?
Gathering wood.
User joined your channel.
Hola, user.
Hi, Grizz. Grizz, don't talk. Grizz, don't talk, you're lagging. Grizz, you're lagging, don't talk. Just type in, if you can't, type in game. That was the correction, not in game. But if you want, you could probably type in TeamSpeak.
Tame that Dilo.
Which one?
Or not Dilo, Dodo.
No, I got killed.
For a start, man.
You ruined my Dodo army.
Well, I'm sure you'll build it back.
I wish I could have killed it.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, I'm still hungry.
No, you're better now.
Hey Dark, are you able to level me up?
Yeah, I can.
Going crazy. This is where you can make fun of me.
User joined your channel.
Hey, Drake.
And our tribe grows by one again.
I'm naked, alone, and on a beach. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Welcome aboard.
Bunch of trees.
North 2. You need to spawn in North 2.
Are you pulverizer?
Yeah.
Yes, your job will be collecting stone.
Enjoy the berries.
Hey, can anybody make a saddle for me?
Yeah, we can.
How much hide do you?
170.
That. We've probably already got it.
Yeah, I got it. Hey, Brandon.
Yo.
Can you take ownership off of Curly for me when you get a chance?
You can't,
Why not?
because I brought it over.
No, if you go to the tribe manager.
I can
It won't
unclaim
matter.
it, but it's still gonna show me as the owner, or tame
Yeah,
it.
well, on payments, so I can change it, put my name on it. Or you can put the name on it and
No, I just don't think you can, because we were trying to do that earlier.
can you change the name though?
From Curly?
No, just add my address to it.
Gotcha. Let me... I'm nowhere near you guys, so...
No, whenever you get a chance. I'm
Okay,
not
yeah.
right now. I'm just anxious to get on the scorpion. It's so much fun.
Clark, did you build a thatch foundation? If you're not, I'm gonna do it.
I have 8 thatch. I'm putting it down to get back up on the hill.
Did you build
I
a
had to get
foundation
water.
yet?
Building right
That
now.
text does says went from hot to cold, and I'm in the same spot.
Yeah, it's weird sometimes.
It all depends on the date, time of the day too.
How much wood is for the saddle? 20?
Huh?
The scorpion saddle, 20 wood?
I think it's 40? Uh, 30. 30.
I would chop some trees.
There's a Femo Dilo right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, another one?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's gonna die. I got another one taming.
Ah, okay.
There's level 3.
Yeah.
Thatch is down.
Oh, God.
What you got?
Another one. Not sure what level it is.
33.
Got 2 on you.
I have a 27 in front of the base.
It is 36.
I'll let you try both of them.
That one's 36. Oh, never mind. It's not 36 no more. And an 18.
Yeah. It's okay, I've got 2 more I'm taming right now anyway. There's plenty around here.
Is that level 45 finished yet?
Not yet.
Alright, Drac. Basically, what you want to do is kill yourself. I know it sounds weird, but you're gonna want to kill yourself.
Over
Okay.
and over and over again.
Don't need to spawn at a certain location.
You do. Hit north, north 2 or north 3. Well, it should get you near us. So try north 2 first. If not, then I don't know.
I'm gonna go punch the Stegosaurus.
That'll
So
work.
this game is basically like this. You die just about as much as often as you do in like a normal survival game, but you spend more time getting your gear and lose more. So it becomes a little more frustrating when you lose. Your gear is meaningless. It's your tames. If you lose your tames, it's like hours worth of work. If you lose your gear, you just
Like
go
30
make
minutes.
more. You just go make more. The tames are what's really, really, really important.
Think Pokemon.
Gotcha. I don't want to let me spawn in North Zone.
You have to click on north and then hit spawn
Respawn
randomly.
random.
Which I'm really thinking that the locations are actually bullshit. So.
They're actually not.
Alright, that's
Well, I
fine.
mean, I think they're supposed to have a location, but I still think it's some kind of a random spawn.
You spawn where?
You see
There's an exceptionally large dinosaur in front of me.
You see a, are you on the beach? Do you see an island near you?
Yeah, off a ways in the distance, but yeah.
You do see an island. Okay.
He's near us then.
Yep.
There's a giant brontosaurus on the beach, or whatever the hell they call these.
You wanna go find him?
Do what?
You wanna go find him? I've got these delos I'm taming.
Shit.
It's getting dark. You might want to just hold tight.
I'll go get him with the Raptors.
Yeah, there's a giant bronto. I'm gonna stay next to it so you can find me.
What? Trent logged to play Dota. Unless he.
Well,
hit
he
the
was
wrong
by
game.
himself, though.
No, he wasn't. He's in the channel with the Shock.
Oh.
User was moved to your channel.
Where'd Trent go?
He went to play something else. He said he's done for tonight.
Oh. Did you want to come out here with us?
Can I move my dino there?
I mean, you can run here with your dino.
My
Yeah.
Dillo? My
Well-
one Dillo?
Well, what you could do is someone can come pick you up later.
What we're gonna do is we'll probably end up moving everybody out here. Probably tomorrow or something like that. We'll just do a mass migration of everybody.
Oh, here, let me grab a drink real quick.
It is dark.
Alright, I'm back. Honestly, yeah, I mean, if that's where we're gonna be, I'd rather be set up there than to continue to try to get set up here, but I would
That was
like...
Freezing.
That was just the starter area that we needed to get re-geared and.
We had to be near an obelisk so we could get our dinos from another server.
Should I tear all this shit down or just leave it?
No.
Leave it, definitely leave it. It's something you can come back to.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about resources?
We farm more.
We'll get more.
What
It's
we'll
not
do
hard.
is when we move up, we'll stick everything on the dinos, except for the actual equipment. Equipment's easy to make. All we need is wood, thatch, fiber, stone, and all that crap. All we got to do is get everybody together, and you know, honestly, one person could haul all the dinos up. But right now, we've got so many people offline. We want to have at least a decent group. And
Okay, are you near a Bronto?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I'm slowly freezing to death.
be right back.
Do you see anyone
Where's
with a
he at?
torch?
Where you at?
Okay, my torch just broke.
Is he down here? If he's down here, I got my cut
No,
going with the
he's
fire and
he's up
everything.
near us.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna
see
grab
later.
my shit out of here.
Got my torch
And,
up.
I'm gonna go
What?
drop off his Dillos. If I can come up there with my one Dillo, I'm happy. I'll come up there and rebuild.
So what'll
I
happen?
can come
What'll
get
have
you.
to happen? Yeah, we could probably make 2 trips. You could one trip grab you with the pterodactyl, and then someone else can come back down and grab your Dillo and pick it up and bring it with the pterodactyl.
Oh, by the way, the other pterodactyl now has a saddle. I made one for it.
Oh, in that case, we could probably take 2 people to go down, and one can take you, and then the other one can take your Dillo and make only one trip.
I
It's
mean,
not-
I would appreciate
Wait,
it. My dildo
actually-
is important to me.
Is that saddle on that pterodactyl down there?
Yeah.
Well,